What's up, everybody? I'm Cameron.
I'm Chloe.
And we're going to be opening up some more Pokemon cards. Just another 3-pack blister.
I do this one.
You going to do that one?
Yeah.
That's a good way to choose. Just 3 packs of Sword and Shield. And then, hold on, we're going to count. We got to do the card trick, okay? We're going to do the card trick. You ready? We're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we'll put 2 in the back. And we're going to go from there. Ooh, we got a fishy. We got a golden fishy. And we got a Diglett. Got a mole. Oh, I'm dropping stuff. That's okay. And then we got a scorpion. Skorupi. We got Hoot Hoot the owl. And we got, what is that? What does that look like?
A bunny.
That's a fire bunny. Score bunny. And we got a psychic energy. And we got a drizzle. You say drizzle?
Turtle. And
we got some incense, however you want. And Salazzle, which is an uncommon. A Glossifer. Ooh, we got her favorite. We got a unicorn. We got Galarian Rapidash. Hey, you guys match. You guys match. Look at that.
Yeah.
We're going to do that one next? Okay, hold on. I'll open it for you.
I
got it. Okay. All right. Let me do the card trick. We got to do the card trick, remember?
can do it.
I can do it. I can do it. Hold on. No! 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay, here we go. Yeah, show them. What is that one? That one's an elephant. Show them. Show them the elephant. And they'll... I got it. Do the ball toy. And Chincho. Here, no, I'll hold him. I'll hold him.
I can't.
I'll hold him.
I'm too strong.
I know you're really strong, but I'll hold him, okay?
I can't.
No, I'll hold him.
Yeah.
Chincho. Okay, you can hold him.
I should be.
Okay, we got Centipede.
Giant.
Okay. And Zigzagoon. And an Energy. And a Potion. And we got a Berry with, Corvisquire. Very cool. Reverse Hollow Yamper. And then we got, look at that. Look at that. We got some Pack Magic with a Delmise V. Very nice.
One more?
Yep, we got one more. We got to clean these cards up real quick, okay?
Okay.
Clean these cards up real quick. Don't want to make a big mess everywhere. Okay. I'm going to do the last one. I'm going to do the last one. I got it. I'll set it up and you knock it down, okay? I'll set it up and you knock it down.
Five.
I got it. Hold on. We'll count. Ready to count? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2. There you go. And we got an owl. Rookidee. We got a centipede. Solizipede. Got a Snom. And a Mawile. Glossifer. And an Energy. Oh, got another Corvisquire too. We got Thwacky, the monkey. That's one of your favorites. Grass monkey. Pokemon Catcher. Pokegear 3.0. And then a Chincho. Or Cincino. Was that fun?
Yeah.
We have fun. Bye.